Hello and good day. Traders, I'm very sorry I didn't upload any video last week because I didn't see any significant changes in last week which can give us a high probability trade. And this year I have decided not to go for all opportunities rather than only for where we have a high probability trade to make some earning. So this is Euro USD. We are currently in monthly time frame. Here you can see that this was the double top that created this downside and bearish trend, and this was the double bottom which again alternated the bearish trade into bullish trade. And this is the month of January. We have a very strong bearish candle. However, it didn't break this area at all. So still today when I'm doing the video, it is on 30th January. So still we have another day to go. So let's see and how we can evaluate this pair. Now so far I understand that today, I mean on 30th, we have another 24 hours to go. This bearish candle will not turn in bullish candle. So automatically, I think at the end of January, we have this double top again. And this thing will be shifted from here. I beg your pardon. From here to here. So we have now triple top, to be not double top. It has become a triple top. We just extend it here up to here. So this is what is this take we can get from the monthly, and nothing else we can have here. In weekly, if we move now we can see that this range, by the way, we need to find the range, and this is the range for the monthly, the middle price range, and in January it has broke out the middle range. If we measure the total depth of the market within this range, we can see very clearly that this is the middle. This area is the hold on guys, this is the middle of the range, and this month in January, after making the double, I think the top is still not official, but the double top here, the triple top we have here, it has already crossed the middle edge, and once it crossed it and it stays there, it again opens the door for the getting to the next range, the next 50%. This is the 50%, and we may expect that the price may come to this level in February. We are not sure. We will analyze and find how can we take the trade, and if there is a scope of higher probability. This is the full range, and if we measure the rest 50%, and the next target of the market should be somewhere here. Let me point it out here, something like this. So let's get back to weekly now, and weekly we can see that it is a bearish trend. The market is bearish a little, but as far as the weekly trend line is concerned, still the market is bullish until this trend line is broken, which I have drawn earlier, the week before last week. I draw this trend line, and I'm expecting the price to get some reaction this area, and if it is broken, it will come to the 50%, 50 of the 50. This was the, hold on guys, let me turn it on in weekly so you guys can see it. So this is the 50 already achieved, and the next 50, this is the rest 50, and half of that is 25. So from beginning, from top to here is 75% retracement, whatever we say, it will happen, and this is coming near to the trend line. And in weekly, if we see now, let's get back to monthly a little for further clarity. we think the way that we have a small area which has not been addressed. The market has not been addressed here. This is the area the market has left without addressing. It is called imbalance in the market, and this area need to be addressed by the market one way or the other. So in weekly, if we move now, we have same issue here. This area has not been addressed. You guys can see very clearly. This area has the imbalance. It has been touched and again move on Monday on upward. This, and also we got some imbalance on the top side. If you guys can see, the imbalance on the top in weekly is, we can see, is this area. This area imbalance never been addressed here. This area has been left without being fulfilled. This area, it has, the market moved downward, and this is the thing. Coming back today now, I told in my last analysis on 20th January that this area, this is the range it was doing for almost 3 weeks, and if it breaks down, it should come and touch this borderline. And if you guys can see that I tried to draw a daily trend line here, and it was broken here, and it came down to this. And now maybe if the market break this area, you can see this is the lowest area of the day, where if the market comes and touches this area, then we have an issue, or breaks this area, then of course the market will officially get bearish. In the trend line has broken, and once it comes this area, it will be broken also. So I am waiting for some retest here. If the market retest here, and if the market fails this side, then maybe I will take a trade from this 50% to get a bearish biased. That is it for me. On the upside, I am not thinking anything at the moment, because for upside, if we see the only liquidity is left here, and how far it will be probable that this price will move to this area to take liquidity from here, or from monthly, from this weekly imbalance area. That is a big question. So if I draw this line like this is the box which has been broken. And as far trading concept, so far I understand that this box, if we measure this box, that this is the box area, then the market at least should move this area. Before it moves upward or downward, that is a secondary question for me, because primarily the market will move the same depth of the range, and it is trying, but it failed. So I'm waiting for some retest here. If the retest fail, what I meant by retest is that I need a green candle that should not break this 50% mark, or get inside the box, or maybe inside the box, but it will have a top shadow. The body should be inside this red line. Then I will go for the short. On the contrary, I honestly speaking, I don't see any upward movement at the moment. I don't think, until the price comes here and take this liquidity out. The liquidity has been taken from here once, but it has to be here again, because the market has lots is potential to move upward at the moment, so far I can see. Okay, and this was the 4-hourly mark I made, which was inside the box, so I didn't give that much attention here. So I would like to remove it. It has become invalid at the moment. We don't need this. So this is what we have in 4 hours. So my way of thinking that the Euro USD pair will come to this zone one way or the other. But before it comes to this zone, well, we need to see this 50% mark test area. If this retest fail, maybe on today or tomorrow or on Thursday, it will retest this area. And there is a lot of news coming on this week. And major news related to GBP, Euro USD is their CPI or something like that. So we need to wait, guys. Don't take any trade at the moment, because what I see, I didn't take the trade. Even the box is broken for two reasons. Is this: we have a very big shadow on the downside, and even today, when I'm doing this video on 30th, this is, I think, with the Asia Euro market has already opened. This area I didn't trade even because this shadow is bothering me. The way this shadow has pushed the price down, this shadow can push the price up in the box, or at least to this 50% to retest. And if it fails only, then I will go for the trade. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, like, or even dislike. I will appreciate. Thank you very much.